Hello everybody, Renu, and I hope that really you like the videos and share and subscribe the videos. So today I'll tell you that how the communication play an important role in one's life, because whenever you do not care of others, then other will not care of you. So this is very important topic, because every day no one will you see that a person who doesn't want to feel special and who doesn't want that he should not be given respect. Everybody, each human being is fighting for that, because we always want to be respected, regarded, and want to feel important and respect. But what happens, we are not ready to give, we are always ready to take. That is the main problem. So no matter that is a professional life or that's a personal life, you always have to take care of you attitude. This is very important, you attitude. If you see the companies, those are getting very much success, what they do, they always take care of their employee. They say we have to do nothing, only we have to take care of our employee, then they will themselves do the work. So this is a common human being nature. If you give something to someone, then he will ready to give you something. If you do not give, then he will not give you. So this art you have to learn, because you don't have to complain that people do not respect me. About if you are in professional life, your boss doesn't listen to you, your colleagues, they don't ask anything to you, they don't give you that respect. And if you are in marketing line, you find that people do not accept your product, you go to them and they do not give you space. So every time you find the problem and then you are not getting success because of that, that people are not liking you. You are delivering presentation, they are not ready to listen you. You are going for an interview, they are not ready to hire you. You are doing GD, they are not ready to hire you. Every time you are being neglected and neglected and neglected. You know why? Because at that time I is working there. Now you don't have to work on I. Now you have to learn to work on you. You start working on you and you see the tremendous change. You will find that how you get the success in your life. Everywhere you will be able to maintain that proper and important relationship with the people, either in professional or personal. So here I have written the point, like first is look at the situation from the reader's perspective. Of course, whenever you are going to deliver presentation, whenever you are going to persuade your audience or your listeners, whenever you are going to write any letter, any proposal, any report, any interview, any oral communication, any written communication, any personal communication, any professional communication, always try to understand the situation from the reader's perspective, or the listener's perspective, or the receiver's perspective, in what situation he is and what his mindset is at that time, how you have to react. Because if you have not reacted according to that, sure you will get failed. If there is a presentation and you know for what the audience are coming to listen you, if you have not raised that point, not that topic, so you will find that presentation is totally failed. So you have to understand that situation, in which mindset and in which situation they are. Like you see any of the movie, what happens? So they see what society wants. If they make that kind of movie according to the society, so that movie gets super hit. If they do not do, what happened? That movie get flop. So always you have to see what the situation is there, at what time, in which time, what step you need to take. Second, I have written here, emphasis what the receiver wants to know. Really, this is very, very true. You have to know that what receiver wants to know, what receiver want to listen to you. If you are like you see Amazon, Myntra, you see these companies, what they do, have you ever read their quote? What they do, they never say we are going to give you offer. They say you will be given this offer, you will be given this benefit. Really, you will feel happy to get this, and tremendous change you will find in your life after using this product. Because if you use the you, and then he will understand that you are thinking about that person will feel himself that really you are talking about his benefit. So this is very, very important. important that you talk, you think what he wants to listen, what he wants to know, not what do you want to tell. You have interest in telling something other thing, like you are telling about your adventurous life, and he doesn't want to listen. He wants to listen that you tell him something about the current scenario, and if you're not talking about on that topic, then he would not. Like if you go to your boss and he wants to listen about the progress of the work, and you have been there only just telling your complaint and your problem, that will not work. First you tell him, sir, this work has been done and I have done this and this is getting progress, and only because of you we are able to do that. Then after that you raise your point, then he will listen to you. Otherwise, if you go first like that, nobody will listen to you. Third is, protect the receiver's ego. This is very, very necessary because everybody is very, very egoistic. If you do not feel that, if you do not respect others' ego, no one will respect your ego. You will have to see. However, I know this is very difficult because nobody wants that. Why? Everybody wants to give importance to I. Nobody wants to give importance to other. But no, because we are living in that society, we need the people, help, we need to take the, we are in professional life, we need to make others happy, then only we will be able to survive. If you are not respecting others' ego, then he will not respect your ego also. So try to do that, because these things you will have to do. If you are not going to do, then you will feel yourself in frustration and dejection, and you will feel why people don't like you, why the people like him. Why I'm not giving that increments and that benefits? Why he is being given that increment and that benefit? Because he is smart enough to talk like that, and you are not smart enough to talk like that. That is why these things are happening. If really you want to do, you will have to care of others' ego also. Next point, make information accessible, organized. Whatever informations you are going to deliver, either through proposal, either through report, either through oral presentation, either through advertisement, or either through your personal feelings or WhatsApp or messaging, your information should be properly accessible. If he is getting incomplete information and he is not getting thoroughly organized information, then he will get in mid and he will feel that what things you have encoded. He will not be decode the things properly. So you need to encode everything very, very to the point, to the specific, and talk about him, that what you are going to tell him and how he is going to be benefited of these kind of informations. Next is, establish a respectful, tactful, gracious relationship. Very, very necessary. If you have not created that kind of relationship, you will find the problem, because you need to establish, you need to be very tactful, you need to establish that respectful relationship. And the gracious relationship means that person start liking you, that person start respecting you. You will have to show what these companies are doing, why they are getting success, because they show that we do care of that. Whatever product you order from Myntra, Amazon, what happened whenever you want to give back and you don't like that product, they respect you. They respect your complaint. They never say, no, we are not going to listen to your complaint, this is wrong. They respect, and they come and they take their product again. So that kind of respected and that kind of gracious, tactful relationship you need to develop. And the next and last I have written here, focus on the listener's intelligence and his benefits. Of course, everybody wants his benefit. If you are not going to focus his benefit, then why he will consider you? There are so many products in the market. If you are going with a new product in the market and you are not talking about his benefits, he will not buy your product. If you are going for an interview, if you are not talking about the company's benefit, they will not hire you. If you are going to develop any personal relationship and that person is not getting anything from you, that he will not start liking you. Everywhere this happens, you need to talk about his benefits and you need to care of his intelligence. Never feel that you are more intelligent. Everybody has his own knowledge. Everybody has his own way to think, own way to judge, own way to evaluate, own way to observe, own way to see the world. But you need to understand his intelligence level. You don't have to show yourself that you are over smart. If you are able to do these all things, only you can survive in today's market. Either you are going to develop international relationship, national relationship, formal, informal, and professional life with your boss, with your colleagues, whosoever is that. If you have developed the habit of you attitude, means you always start thinking about you and you care him, you respect him, you think about his benefit, you use the word like that, like I have just told you. Do not write our company is going to give you offer. Think you will be given this offer. So by doing these kind of words and sentences, if you start your communication, you will find the tremendous change in your life and you will see how rapidly you get the success. I think you must have liked this topic, and this is very important topic. I would respect and welcome your comments and any of the question if you asked me. That is a really very happiest moment when you ask any question to me and you see this video, and please share with maximum people. Thank you. Have a good day.